Hi everyone, I'm Premalata Aravindan. I welcome you all to my channel Prema's Culinary. Today I'm going to show you how to make crunchy honey chili potato recipe. It's very simple recipe. Do try it out. For this recipe we need around 250 gram of potatoes cut like French fries. Boil the water, add in the French fries in the boiling water. Add a teaspoon of salt. Let it to cook. Just cook it 60 to 65%. Don't cook it thoroughly. Immediately drain the water completely and add the potatoes into a plate. Now we are going to prepare the coating for the potatoes. I'm going to add a tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour and half teaspoon of salt. Mix gently. Don't break the potatoes. First coating done. Now I'm going to make the second coat for the potato. For that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and half teaspoon of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoon of water. Mix well. The consistency of the batter should be semi-thick. It should not be thin or very thick. Now very gently coat the potatoes with the batter. Now the potatoes are ready for frying. Heat the oil in a kadai. Slowly drop the potatoes into the oil. Do not disturb them for 2 seconds. Let it fry. After 2 seconds, start to separate them and fry well. Remove it from the oil before it turned golden. Now I am frying the second batch. Now I am going to double fry them. So I am dropping the potatoes again into the oil and frying it. Once it turns light golden, remove from oil. This results crispy potatoes. Let's make the sauce. Heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute well. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Saute well. 2 tablespoons of spring onions. Saute them well. Now add in the sauces like 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Give them a good mix. Now add in the salt. Mix well. Now you can see the sauce is little thick, so we are adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to make it thin sauce. Now add the bell peppers salt along with the sauce. Now switch off the flame and add the potatoes. Give a nice toss. Make sure that the sauces coat well with the potatoes. Finally add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix well. Now you can see the glossy look of the potatoes. Finally garnish it with some spring onions and some roasted sesame seeds. Honey chili potato is ready to serve now. I would like to serve the honey chili potato with hakka noodles. My next post is veg hakka noodles. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a healthy, crunchy, flavorful and delicious honey chili soya chunk recipe. Before I start, I would like to invite you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's begin the recipe. Take 2 cups of soya chunk. Soak the soya chunks for about 10 to 15 minutes in water. Boil the soya chunks in water by adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil it till it turns soft. And then switch off the stove. Now drain the water completely and squeeze the excess water from the soya chunk. If water remains in soya chunk, it will suck more oil while frying. Add a tablespoon of corn flour. Coat the soya chunks well with the corn flour. And here is the second coat. Add another tablespoon of corn flour. Coat well with the soya chunk. Now heat the oil. Slowly drop the soya chunks into the oil. Fry them in high temperature. Once it turns crisp, remove them from the oil. Repeat this step for the remaining soya chunks. You can see the soya chunks are very crispy and crunchy. Now let's make the spicy chili sauce. Heat a pan, add a tablespoon of oil, add 2 to 3 garlic pods finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, saute well, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, saute well, half chopped bell pepper, saute well. Now let's begin to add the sauces. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can increase or decrease the sauce quantity if you want. Cook the sauce for about 2 to 3 seconds. Now add half a teaspoon of crushed pepper or pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Turn off the stove. Now we are going to add the soya chunk to it. Give a good mix. And finally add the honey. After adding the honey, the soya chunks looks very glossy. Add some green onions. Sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds. Honey chili soya chunk is ready to serve now. You can serve either as an appetizer or as a side dish with fried rice or noodles. Do try it out and share the feedback how it goes for you. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye from Premalata Aravindan. Thank you. Bye-bye.